Did you know that some facts are so strange they sound completely impossible? Today, I'll share 5 mind-blowing facts that will challenge everything you thought you knew. Let's dive in. No one. Did you know that there's a number so large that even the entire universe cannot contain it? It's called Graham's number, and it's so massive that even if you tried to write it down, your brain wouldn't be able to comprehend it. No two. If you shuffle a deck of 52 playing cards, the sequence you get has likely never existed before in the history of the universe. The total possible arrangements are 8.06 times 10 to the 67, which is more than the number of atoms in the observable universe. No 3. Your body is actually more bacteria than human. The human body contains around 30 trillion human cells, but your gut alone has around 100 trillion bacterial cells, meaning you're technically only 30% human.